Today we're going to check out a unique lighting offering specifically for your 2015 through 2017 EcoBoost Mustang from Accelatec. These Grille lights are sold in a set of 6 and designed specifically for the grille in your 2015 through 2017 EcoBoost Mustang. They're available in the smoked finish shown here, but also a clear finish, and they'll light up with bright white LEDs. They're specifically designed to fit in the grille openings of your EcoBoost, allowing you to install them anywhere you would like in both the upper and lower grille. We've seen a trend online with some Mustang owners actually liking that light bar look on their Mustang, taking a light bar off of a truck, putting it in the lower grille, putting it up in here, whatever, for some more light at night. Well, if you like that look, the Accelatec lights give you that option with a much cleaner installation. Like I said, these snap right in the grille. You can put them across the top, you can put them across the bottom, you can make a smiley face if you wanted to, but they include the wiring harness, they all wire in series, and the installation will take you about an hour or so, but back on the road in no time.